Activating the control lock. Touch and hold for 3 seconds to lock the controls to avoid unwanted changes or operation. For each second control lock is held down, the display will count down 3, then 2, then 1, then LC or LOC will appear along with a red key symbol. The control lock may be a standalone key, or it could be a dual function key paired with another button. To unlock, touch and hold the same button for 3 seconds, wait for 3, 2, 1 countdown, and the red key symbol will disappear and unlock controls and allow access to button controls.